You're bidding on an Ammco 7000 disc brake lathe. This is disc brake only. This has been sitting in a closed shop for a long time. We haven't cleaned it, done anything to it. The rust will have to be cleaned off. The cutter, you'll have to soak these. These come apart, you can soak them and they work, but you know, they've been sitting. Everything appears to function on it. Let me turn it on. Here's the cross feed here. As you can see, the cross feed is working. I can speed it up. See it or not, but it speeds up. The speed control and the cross feed are functioning. Motor sounds okay. This is all we have with it. This is what it is. I'll take some individual shots. That is what it is. Missing a light bulb in here. Good luck bidding.